Welcome, my name is an ALCATEL 1X, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. So this process will also remove screen lock if you have one that you, for instance, don't know the pattern to or password, whatever it is, but it will not remove your Google account. So once you reset it, will basically you will need to verify your Google account later on, so keep that in mind. Now I'm gonna proceed from here as though I don't know the pattern, so you can see that there is one set. And you want to start off by powering off the device. Wait for it to shut off, and once it has, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the ALCATEL logo, you can let go. From here, choose a language, so I'm gonna stick with English, and to select it, you will use volume keys to navigate, so volume down goes down and volume up goes up, and power key is used to confirm whatever is selected. So there it is, English, power key to confirm it, and we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, and affirm it with power key. Then yes, delete all user data. And the process will begin. It's a fairly quick one, at least at this stage. And you can see data wipe complete at the bottom, and reboot system now is now selected by default. So press power key once more to confirm that. And once the device starts rebooting, it will continue the process in the background, and it will actually take a little bit longer for it to turn back on than it normally does. But once it does, we will be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and after you set up your device, you will also no longer have a passcode. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.